Children, in previous video we discussed about the total internal reflection. Total internal reflection of light we discussed. So in this video there is one small activity to understand the application of total internal reflection. So watch carefully and observe what's happening there. So now I was taken here, this is the one juice glass. In that I kept one here, this is the coin, here it is there. Now it is empty glass. What we have taken, this is empty glass, and bottom what you have, 5 rupees coin, it is there. Clear? Now we want to observe this one, how the image can be formed when we can pour some water into the glass. So where we will get the image, let us check. Okay children, so here observe, bottom we have coin is there. From the side view you are finding that coin is at same place. Now you have to observe you have to see the coin from the top view, then you can check it here. So now here we are finding some image of the coin from the top view. This is the top view of the glass. Now we have to check whether where it can form. Clear? So to understand that, here I am keeping pencil slowly. So slowly. So here what do you observe? The pencil can touches the coin. Yes. Here what do you observe? The pencil can touches the coin. Clear? But I am keeping the position of this pencil should be same. Now you have to observe from the side view. So what do you observe? Tell me now, the pencil can touches the coin or not? No. Again see from top. It can touches the coin. So it seems to be, it can touches the coin. But from the side view, there is no contact between the coin and pencil. So that means what? It means that where we are getting the image, we are getting the image on the surface of the water from a distance at some distance from the bottom. Clear? So see once again here. So it seems to be now here. It can touches the coin, but actually it does not touches the coin. Clear? So it means that here from the water to top surface, above the water what you have, air is there. From the bottom the light rays are coming from the coin to the outside the water. That means the light rays are moving from denser medium to the rarer medium. Here water is the denser medium and air is the rarer medium. That's why here, while the light ray is coming from water to the air, at the interface again they are reflected back. Due to that, the image can be formed on the middle of the glass beaker or glass. So that is why it is what? It is the application of total internal reflection. Got the point children? While the light rays are coming from water to the air at the interface. So now this is the interface here. This is the interface. So this is the line what I am showing here. This is the interface. Above that what you have, air is there. Here below what we have, water is there. Here the light rays are coming from the coin and they are moving towards to the interface. Again they can reflected back. So that means total internal reflection takes place. Due to that only, here some image of the coin should be formed in the middle of the water. So got this point children? This is the application of total internal reflection. Okay children, I hope you understand. Bye, take care.